several advanced solutions to fix the issue. 1. Verify game files. Ensure your game files are intact. 1. Open the Rockstar Games launcher or Steam, depending on your platform. 2. Go to Library, right-click on GTA V, select Properties. 3. Navigate to Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Allow the verification process to complete and relaunch the game. 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers often cause crashes. 1. Visit the official website for your GPU, nvidia.nvidia.com/download/indspx, amd.nuffy.amd.com/support, Intel, intel.com/content/w/download center/home. 2. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. 3. Restart your PC and try launching GTA V again. 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering graphics settings can sometimes resolve crashes. 1. Launch GTA V and go to Settings, Graphics. 2. Reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, anti-aliasing, disable VSync. 3. Save changes and relaunch the game. 4. Run GTA V as administrator. Running the game with elevated permissions can fix permission-related crashes. 1. Navigate to the GTA V installation directory. 2. Right-click on gtav.exe, select Properties. 3. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Click Apply. OK. #5. Disable overlays. Third-party overlays like Discord, Steam, or GeForce Experience can cause issues. 1. Discord. Open Discord Settings, Overlay. Toggle Enable In-Game Overlay to off. 2. Steam. Open Steam Settings in-game. Uncheck Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. 3. Disable any other overlays and relaunch the game. 6. Update DirectX and Visual C+ redistributables. Corrupted or outdated DirectX X and C+ redistributables can lead to crashes. 1. Download the latest versions. direct.s/slackaniwhichdonors.com/download details 35. Visual C+ redistributables. learn.microsoft.com/cpiece Windows latest supported VC redist. 2. Install them and restart your PC. Add GTA V to antivirus firewall exceptions. Ensure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking GTA V. 1. Open your antivirus program and add an exception for GTA V.exe. 2. For Windows Firewall, open Control Panel, Windows Defender Firewall. Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Add GTA V to the list and allow it through both private and public networks. 8. Clear cache files. Clearing cached files can resolve corrupted settings issues. 1. Navigate to Documents Rockstar Games GTA V. 2. Delete the following files: settings.xml, the Profiles folder, optional if not storing local saves. 3. Relaunch the game. 9. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for GTA V. If it barely meets them, lower your in-game settings to reduce the load. 10. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall GTA V to ensure no corrupted files persist. 1. Back up your save files located in Documents, Rockstar Games GTA V Profiles. 2. Uninstall GTA V via the Rockstar Launcher or Steam. 3. Reinstall the game and restore your save files.